The European Union says China has become its largest trading partner last year, surpassing the United States. Both imports and exports between China and the EU increased despite pandemic. European imports from China grew by nearly 6% to more than 380 billion euros, and exports grew by more than 2% to over 200 billion euros. Meanwhile, European trade with the United States saw a decline. Cui Huiyao has more details.
The figures came in on Monday from Eurostat, the statistical service of EU. They showed both China's exports and imports have been increasing last year, up by 5.6% and 2.2% from respectively. That tallies with China's official numbers, which show bilateral trade grew by over 5% in 2020 to nearly 4,500 billion yuan, or nearly 600 billion euros. As far as what's being traded, the EU's mostly purchased industrial and consumer goods, machinery and equipment, footwear and clothing from China, while China mainly bought machinery, motor vehicles, aircraft and chemicals from the EU. Now, a lot of these products are transported by train. The number of China-Europe freight trains has continued to surge, rising by over 50% last year to a total of 12,400. And despite the impact of COVID-19, China's overtook the U.S. as EU's largest trading partner in the third quarter last year. The statistics show EU's trade with the U.S. saw substantial decline in both directions, with exports and imports dropping by 8.2% and 13.2% respectively. Now, these results speak for the strong resilience and importance of China-EU ties. That is according to Zhang Min, head of the Chinese mission to the EU. Last year, the two sides wrapped up negotiations on the China-EU bilateral investment treaty. The announcement came 2 days before the end of the year and locked in a deal that had been dragging since 2014 after going through 35 rounds of negotiations. The deal has not been officially signed yet, as legal texts are still being hammered out, but it covers three main areas: market access, fair competition, and sustainable development. China is set to open up sectors including automobiles, air transport, and private hospitals to Europe, while Europe will give Chinese investors more access in renewable energy. Analysts predict the deal will provide tremendous opportunities for both Chinese and European companies, and it will help to ensure a level playing field.